In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 ways you can get ready for Diwali, which is coming up on October 27th. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Today's video is going to be all about Diwali, which is coming up October 27th, and we're going to be talking about 5 ways you can get ready for it, how you can prep your house, what items you might need, whatever you can do to just get ready. So before we get started, I want to get a few things out of the way. So for everybody that has joined on Patreon, thank you guys so much for joining, and I'm having so much fun releasing so many different kinds of rituals on there. So if you're interested, then go ahead and head over there. Another thing, Diwali is the night you should be performing any and all of your rituals. Whatever you're trying to bring in, whatever you're trying to attract, do it on the night of Diwali. It is so intense, it's so powerful, it's so auspicious, it's so lucky that it's just, you cannot miss this opportunity. That's why I wanted to do this video super early. And if you guys are having trouble with figuring out which rituals you want to use, I actually wrote a book where I share with you guys 30 of my own personal rituals: cleansing, protection, love, money, abundance, you name it, and it's all in there. There's 30 of them that I personally use and that I have recommended to a lot of my clients, and it has actually really worked for them. So I wanted to compile it in a book. I will leave that linked down below for you guys. And with that being said, let's get started. So Diwali is on Sunday, October 27th. That is the 3rd time I said that, but I want you guys to remember because you want to be ready before. Diwali is a Hindu festival. It's the festival of lights. The goddess Lakshmi and the god Ganesh are worshipped on this night. It's actually a 5 or 7 day process of just prayers and fun and celebration and eating and shopping and decorating. It's really fun. And in India, people actually go all out, and it's so beautiful. And a lot of people here, in a lot of the Indian communities, they go all out and just decorate and pass around sweets. It's actually a celebration of the triumph of good over evil, of light over darkness. And that's why homes are lit up, and I'm talking about lights, Christmas lights, candles, rangoli, which is like colorful designs on the pathway, and we'll get into why that's done too. It also symbolizes new beginning. So it's a new beginning. What do you want this new beginning to be like? Create it. It's also the day that Rama came home after he fought and won the battle with the demon Ravan. Diwali literally means row of lights, and it's all about just light over darkness. Now that we know what Diwali is, here are 5 ways you can get ready. Number 1, decorate your entryway, your front door, inside your house, outside your house. Use tea lights, use candles, use flowers, use rangoli. Create a lit pathway for the goddess Lakshmi to come in. Lakshmi is the god of wealth. She's a god of abundance and prosperity. Everything materialistic, and not just that, but abundance and spirituality. Decorate your front entrance of your house in a way where you're inviting her in. Number 2, you want to actually create a little altar for the goddess Lakshmi. Number 2, you want to create an altar for the goddess Lakshmi and the god Ganesh, because these are the ones that are going to bestow their blessings upon us on this night. Put lights, tea lights, offerings, flowers on their altar. Prepare their candles with flowers. If you guys are interested in buying my candles, these are hand painted by me. These are colorful the way Lakshmi likes it, and they are also infused with pyrite crystals. Pyrite crystals are known to bring abundance, prosperity, wealth, luck, financial success, fame, growth, knowledge. It's so like crazy the amount of things that pyrite can bring. So these candles are infused with actual crystal, the pyrite crystal. It's just in powdered form, so it looks kind of like glitter. There is some glitter, but there's also pyrite. So if you guys are interested, head over to my store because these are so gorgeous. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be lighting up my whole house with these. And they just raise my vibration just by looking at them. So if you guys are interested in these candles, go ahead, head over to my Etsy store. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing a Ganesh statue from me, I have these very beautiful ones. that are charged underneath the energy of the full moon, but you can charge these at your own home on the night of Diwali. If you guys are interested in your own personal Lord Ganesh statues, go ahead, head over to my Etsy store. These are a few that I have right here, and these are a few other options that I have right here. I love dropping hibiscus and jasmine flowers in candles and lighting those in my house on the night of Diwali because Ganesh loves hibiscus and he loves jasmine flowers. If you have a statue or a photo of the goddess Lakshmi, you want to surround her feet with just flowers. Really adorn her, please her, make her feel beautiful and special. You can even do the same thing with Ganesh too. And she loves light. That's why you see on Diwali, if you pass by some homes, especially Indian homes, you see lights. Their homes are lit up. There's candles in the pathway, right? It's decorated. And this is why. Meditate around your altar. Meditate in front of her. Meditate in front of Ganesh. Tell them what you want. Speak to them. Do your rituals. Ask them to bless you in your home, your finances, your relationships. Whatever you're moving forward with in your life, ask them to bless you. Number 3, offerings. So you want to get your offerings ready before the night of Diwali so that you have it ready on Diwali and you don't have to run around. Offer Goddess Lakshmi fresh fruits. She loves fresh fruits. So does Ganesh. I love giving Ganesh oranges. No meat. Remember that. The Goddess Lakshmi also loves sweet rice pudding, or it's also known as kheer. You can also give her flowers. You can give both of them flowers. You can give them candles. You can give them cash and coins. You can give Goddess Lakshmi perfume. She will love that. And I'm actually planning on giving her one this year. Ganesh loves hibiscus flowers or fresh jasmine flowers. Number 4, you want to put a Sri Yantra next to Ganesh and Lakshmi on your altar. If you charge this on the night of Diwali, that is the most auspicious night of the year. It's the most luckiest night. It's the most good energy night of the whole year. So you working with this and charging this on the night of Diwali is extremely powerful. So this is what a Sri Yantra is. It's a yantra, and the word Sri means power, rank, high status, prosperity, light, and title of respect. A yantra is a geometric pattern of creation. It's very, very sacred. These should be up in my shop if you guys are interested in purchasing a yantra for me, or you could print one out. You could also buy one from your local Indian store. They might have some, they might not. You usually don't get them there, but sometimes you get lucky. And number 5, you want to clean and you want to declutter because the goddess Lakshmi loves clean places. She goes crazy for clean places. Get rid of everything that you don't use. Get rid of trash around your house. Get rid of dust. Get rid of everything that doesn't even serve you anymore. Redecorate. Redecorate your whole house, your bedroom, everything that the energy you feel like was becoming stagnant, you can reawaken that energy just by redecorating alone. And not only that, but you want to make room for Lakshmi and Ganesh to bring you this abundance. So get rid of the clutter, get rid of what's sitting there that doesn't belong there so they can bring in new things. There is so many like tractors going in front of my house, so if you hear that, that's what it is. You can literally change the energy of your home by cleaning and redecorating, by putting lights, by really making your home your sanctuary. And around Diwali, that is a huge thing. So those are 5 ways that you can get ready for Diwali. If you guys want more Diwali videos, those will be coming up on my channel, but also let me know what you guys want to know, what else you guys want to see from me when it comes to Diwali. Also, if you're interested in Diwali supplies, head over to my shop because I do have the yantra there. I have my Lakshmi candles there, and I also have my Diwali candles. These are hand painted by me. So if you guys are interested, then head over to my store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.